Stop quitting. You have a deep desire. It is not money. It's unshakable certainty. It's the knowledge that when you start something, you finish it. But right now, you hit the wall. The work feels impossible. Every time you push, the resistance pushes back harder. The easy choice is to stop. Most guys do. But the way forward is not about being tougher. It's about being smarter. There are 3 simple moves that make the impossible button disappear. You can use them right now. What annoys you most? It's the lie. It's the tired advice. Just grind harder. That advice is worthless. It's built by people who never faced real problems. When the task is too big, writing that book, running that business, fixing that body, your mind panics. It sees the mountain. You feel hopeless. Here is the anti-panic hack. We call it the 3-foot rule. Stop looking at the end line. The mountain does not matter. The goal does not matter. All that matters is the next 3 feet in front of you. Define the next 3 feet. Is it 5 minutes of focused work? Is it 1 cold email? Is it 1 page? Make it so small it feels like a joke. Write it down. Kill the clock. Do not set a goal for the day, set a goal for the next 60 minutes. Once you hit that tiny goal, you are done. Everything else is bonus. This simple rule bypasses the panic. It kills the feeling of impossibility. You are not running a marathon. You are taking 1 step. The moment you adopt this, something shifts. You will stop feeling like a failure, constantly overwhelmed. Instead, you feel certainty. You feel control. Your life improves instantly because you start logging small, verifiable wins. That daily win compounds. It builds real, masculine momentum. You become the guy who finishes things. This is how men earn respect from themselves first. What happens if you ignore this? You stay stuck in the same loop. You will look back at this year, next year, 5 years from now, and see 0 progress. That book unwritten, that physique unearned. Your internal confidence erodes. You become the guy who quits when it gets real. You lose more than just the goal. You lose yourself. The skeptic says, "This sounds too easy. Where's the struggle?" I used to think that way. I was building my first real business. I needed 10 new clients in a month. Every time I looked at that number, 10, my brain froze. I made 0 calls. I failed. I almost quit the business. Then an old mentor told me to stop looking at 10. He said, "Just call 1 person right now. You're only responsible for 1 phone call." That day, I made 1 call. The next day, I made 2. By the end of the month, I was at 9 clients. This isn't about being easy. This is about being sustainable. This is about stacking small victories until the impossible task is just a pile of finished 3-foot sections. The struggle is still there, but you attack it 1 manageable foot at a time. Most men, your competition, they live in the grand idea. They are unwilling to do the boring, small thing every single day. They only want the dramatic breakthrough. That is why they fail. Your power is in the small, ruthless action. So here's your next move. Do not go after the mountain. Go after 1 thing. Write down 1 simple 3-foot goal right now. Make it so small it's embarrassing. And then, get it done. The impossible only exists until you take the first small step. Take it.